Well, good morning everybody. What are we doing today, Pops? Gonna go for a little ride on your new bike?
Yeah.
Yeah. Annie wants to go. Right, shall we get on with it?
Oops, oops. Yes.
Right, shall we get on?
Yes.
Okay. That was good, wasn't it? Hey! Off she goes again. There she goes. She's getting better, isn't she, Mum?
Yeah.
Who's having a swing?
Ready.
Whee!
Oh, it's a bit fast. A bit fast.
What is it?
Buddy.
Bah.
Ready.
So guys, we're back from us a little bike ride and play on the park. It's that time of the week again where we clean the chickens. So we'll clean the chickens, and I think we might show you a bit of an update on the plants we've got growing in the greenhouse as well. Right, best get on with it, eh? Clean all the grit. So I don't know if I've ever told you this before, chickens have to have grit to make their shells on their eggs hard, and then we'll change the food and the water and give the feeders a good clean out too. Lovely girls. One clean house for another week. So we've not really kept the world of YouTube up to speed on latest Fletcher's World excitement. So, don't know if you noticed in the Easter video we did, I'd got a bit of a limp because I've had an operation on my knee, and shortly after that Annie decided she was going to fall over in the kitchen and ended up in hospital for a few days. So it's been a bit exciting times in the Fletcher's World household. But I don't know whether you can hear the cooker hood going. Mum is doing Sunday dinner today, So things are on the up. What do you think, eh? What are you doing? What's up? As we can see, everybody, Anime's fine after a tumble. Ain't chick. Just gave us a fright. Yes. Boo-boo. Pops.
Mario Karting. Oh no, that's the wrong side.
Poppy's playing the new Mario Kart add-on. That's just the best thing to do on a bank holiday Monday, isn't it, Poppy?
Yes.
Yeah. How's the growers?
Good.
Good. So we're going to give her a bit of an update on our stuff's doing, Pops.
Yeah.
Okay. What do you show first then, Pops?
The cucumbers.
Whoa, look at the cucumbers.
Got 4 cucumbers that have sprouted. They're ready for moving to a grow bag or a pot, aren't they?
Yeah.
So we need to do that.
Yeah.
And then we've got, these are the nasturtiums, the trailing nasturtiums. Not many of them have come up.
Not have
One
they?
bigger than the other.
One's massive compared to the other ones. And then what we got up top?
Mini sunflowers.
Yeah.
Yeah. Some of them's come through.
And these were the seeds that Poppy picked. And look at them.
The ones that's done the best.
Yeah. I think she's been feeding them something secret before she
Have
goes
you
to
been putting a
bed.
secret potion on them, Poppy?
No.
No. It looks like it to me.
Do you remember what they're called?
And what they call pop?
Libertarian.
Yeah.
Well done, Pops.
And there's one more.
Oh, I got tomatoes.
They're not tomatoes.
Not tomato. Oh no, I saw something red on the label. Are they peppers?
Yeah, they're Poppy's favourite peppers, red ones.
Poppy's peppers.
Poppy's peppers.
Peppers.
Yeah, we've been joined by a bee.
Poppy's peppers. Ah! I saw red on the label. Oh. What's happening here?
Fucking Sunday dinner. On a Monday.
Sunday dinner on Monday. Is that not Monday dinner? Probably. What we got?
Comfort.
Not hospital.
No hospital. Thought everyone deserved a nice home-cooked roast.
Yes. Abba.
Yeah.
Waiting patiently. Yeah. You're waiting patiently. What you say, Mama?
Look at the golden goodness.
The golden goodness.
Mama's made cauliflower cheese.
What?
Her name actually, Mama.
Her name's Mama. Oh.
Check it's okay.
It's actually fruit.
It's good.
Is it good? Is it passed?
Just check.
Okay. Right. Shall I cut the meat? I don't know if we said. We're having roast pork. We didn't say what meat we're having. With crackling, and it actually looks crackling. Shall we do it?
Mommy, can I have all top? All of it?
All top.
Uh-huh.
Do you listen?
Yeah.
I think it sounds crispy. Right, we'll chop it up good, Mummy. I can vouch that the crackling's good,
Why?
because I tried a bit.
Oh.
How dare you? I was having all the crackling.
Oh, look at the cauliflower cheese.
Hello, darling.
You got your dinders? Yeah, they're nice. Dinner good, Pops. Got a thumbs up. How's it, Mum?
Pretty good.
Ooh, ooh. I think I might get stuck. And how was your dinders? You look very gravy.
Oh, I'll get him a drink, Dad. It's too greasy.
Oh dear. How was yours, Poppy?
Good.
Good. You had a good go, didn't you? Very good go. We got an empty plate from Daddy, and Mummy's eyes was bigger than her belly. Oh dear. Oh dear. Yeah?
I'm in a drink.
You want a drink? What are you doing, Annie Mae? Hey, crazy lady. What are you doing out here? Who's having a crazy crawl after the dinner? What doing? Ah ha ha. Go, go, go. Are you trying to climb up the slide? Yeah.
Telling you something. Oh, that feels nice on my toes.
Is that nice on your toesies? Yeah. Oh dear. Go, go. Go, go. Right. So that is the end of another.
Turn the telly on.
And it's turned the telly on. That is the end of another Fletcher's World home vlog, isn't it, everybody?
Telly on.
So we did a bit of bicycling, bit of chicken cleaning, bit of gardening, bit of cooking. So exciting. And a bit of crazy Annie. Right, what's left to say then, Poppy?
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye, everybody. Bye-bye.
Woohoo!